Hey friends, hope you're well. In this video, we are going to do some technical analysis on Ethereum price action. First of all, I would like to give you some recap. This was a chart I published on 18th of January 2020. And in this chart, I revealed that the Ethereum has formed a complete shark pattern. The dimensions of this pattern was uh, perfectly driven as required for the bullish shark pattern. If we see after initial X to A leg, the A to B leg was retraced between 0.382 up to 0.618 Fibonacci, which is as required for the shark pattern, and B to C leg was retraced or projected between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. This is the A to B Fibonacci projection, and here we can see that the price action is retraced or projected between up to 1.356 Fibonacci. That is as required for the shark Fibonacci projection of A to B leg between 1.13 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. And after that, the price action was supposed to retrace or drop up to between a 0.886 up to 1.13 Fibonacci. And here we can see the price action has retraced in this area. And at that time, the price action was moving within this potential reversal zone. So this was a potential reversal zone. And at that time, the price action was supposed to take the bullish divergence at any time. And it was expected that the price action will hit the sell zone, which is the Fibonacci projection of C to D lag between 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. And the profit expected was between 60% up to 123%. And so far, the price action has taken a very strong bullish divergence, you can see here. And so far, it has produced up to 97% profit or more than 97% profit so far. So this was a sell zone, but it is not necessary that the price action will now drop down from this sell zone or so from this potential sell zone, because once the price action will cross up this 0.786 Fibonacci, it can even take the more powerful bullish divergence from this area. But if you have taken your long position or you've bought the Ethereum here and you're selling it here, that is a very good profit for you. But if you want to see the long-term analysis, definitely I'm just making this video for the long-term analysis. Therefore, I'm just taking you to the live chart now. What can be the next move of the Ethereum? And first, I'm going to show you a very important indicator that is the Ichimoku Cloud, developed or created by the Japanese, and that took 30 years to develop this indicator. Therefore, I always use this indicator in my trades and in my analysis. If you see on the week chart, this is the week chart, the long-term perspective. I'm not doing discussion about the short-term or the midterm charts. This is the long-term perspective here. So you can see that the Ichimoku Cloud, once it was turned bullish, and now it is turned again bearish, and again going to turn bullish. It is showing its tendency to turn bullish again. You can see it is getting squeezed again. And here you can see why it is turning bullish. There are some reasons. I'm pretty sure that it will be turned bullish again, cause there are a lot more reasons behind that. If we see the lagging span, the most important part of this Ichimoku Cloud, has crossed up the price action, and it is very bullish, and soon we will see that it will also cross up this bearish cloud as well. And if we see the price action has almost crossed up the conversion lines in the baseline as well. And now the price action is likely to cross up this bullish cloud. If this is a bullish cloud, if the cloud is bullish or green, it is easy for the price action to cross up the cloud, and therefore it will be definitely easy for the price action to cross up the cloud. And here we can see that the conversion line and the baseline are making or forming a golden cross. The conversion line, the blue one, is crossing up the baseline, the brown one. I'm just making it disappear, the price action disappear. And after that, you can see that the conversion line is touched with the baseline, and soon it will cross up this brown or baseline, and that will be a very strong bullish signal. Because if the conversion line crosses up the baseline just below the price action, it produced a very powerful bullish rally. And if we see move to uh, a 2 week chart, a more long-term chart, then we can see on the 2 week chart the stochastic has given the bull cross here in January 2020 after this bull cross was received after uh, December 2018. That was a very long-term time, and after that, the price action give us. Uh, Now it has given us the bullish cross again, by the stochastic. This is a very strong bullish signals on the 2 week chart. This is a very long-term chart, and here you can see the moving average convergence divergence is also turned very strong bullish with a bull cross. The moving average convergence divergence has also given us a bull cross, and the histogram of the moving average convergence divergence is turned very strong bullish on this 2 week chart. And if we see the chops on, it has given us a very clear indication that if that the bearish trend is chopped now, it is finished now, and it is turned bullish. And soon we will see that it will be turned strong bullish as well. Now, move back to the week chart again. This is a very important chart. Here we can see that this green one is the 50 simple moving average, and this black one is the 200 simple moving average. The price action is crossing up the 50 simple moving average. So far, it is almost crossed up the 50 simple moving average, but so far the price action is not completely closed above this moving average. Once it will be closed above this moving average, then it will be easy for this moving average for the price action to cross up the 200 moving average as well. At this time, you can see the price action is fighting the resistance of 200 moving average. Once it will be crossed up, then it will be easy for the price action to cross up this resistance level. This is our first long-term resistance level at $310.97. So once the price action tried to break out this resistance, at that time the price action also crossed up the 200 and the 50 simple moving averages. But in June 2019, it was not able to cross up this resistance level. So this would be the second turn or second attempt by the price action to cross up this resistance level. And it will be a kind of double bottom. And whenever the double bottom formed, then it also produced a very powerful bullish rally. It is a double bottom here. We can see it is formed a double bottom here, and it can provide a very good help for to the price action to break out this resistance level of 310.97 cents. Once the price action, if for example, if the price action will be not able to cross up or break out this resistance level, but it will be it will manage to cross or close above this moving average of 200, and then it can form a channel between this 200 moving average and this resistance level, and after that it can break out this resistance after some sideways moves. But I think it will break out this resistance level very soon. I'll tell you later in this video why. Uh, if we see that what will happen after when the price action will break out this resistance level, then we can see here that we have another very long-term resistance at $742.28, which was not broken since May 2018. In the May 2018, you can see the price action tried to break out this resistance level, but at that time it was not able to have a breakout from this resistance level. So once this resistance level will be broken out, then the price action can form a channel between this resistance level or and this resistance level, and it can retest this previous resistance of $310.97 as a support, and after that it can move sideways or it can make another attempt to break out this resistance level. Now, why I was saying that there are more chances that the price action will break out this resistance very soon is this momentum indicator. You can see the momentum was strong bearish. It was started turning bearish from here, from July 2018, and from here 28th of October 2019, you can see the momentum indicator was started turning bullish. It was turned weak bearish from strong bearish, and after that you can see the bars of momentum was getting squeezed. It was a clear indication that the price action is or that the momentum is being shifted in the favor of bulls. And now you can see here that it has turned very strong bullish, and we can see a first bullish bar by the momentum indicator here. And the stronger signal for me is that here you can see we had a bearish trend, but here the momentum indicator ignored and did not show any value for this bearish trend, and it was continuously turning bullish. So it means that it will be turned more strong bullish very soon. And this momentum indicator it has given us a very strong bullish signal at this time, but this is a very small bar. We can have very, very big bars, for example, like here, the big bars were appeared, or like here. If the bars like here we have seen in January 2018, the bars like this bars will be appeared, then we can see a very, very strong bullish trend, which can even hit this resistance level of 1200 or maybe 1500. But I'm not talking about any. I'm not talking about the next resistance level anymore. I'm just finishing my video here because I'll definitely post my next technical analysis when I'll receive any more signals or developments by the price action. Hope you have liked the video. Do subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe it so far, and do hit the like if you like the video. Take care. Goodbye.